Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. My big girl Athena absolutely loves her dog bed from LIORCE. This is the extra large dog bed. She is about 85 pounds. She does have hip dysplasia, so I'm always looking for a dog bed that is going to be comfortable for her and give her the support she needs. This is actually a double layered dog bed with certified memory foam. It has a removable top, which to me is an excellent design. It has non-slip grips on the bottom, as well as a super soft, very comfortable top here. And then all around it is more of a textured material that's really going to hold up well. And it's very well made, great stitching on this. I highly recommend it, especially if you do have a big dog like Athena. She's an American Bulldog. Then you need something that's going to last you, because she is super rough on her beds and it has held up really well. This also has a carrying handle here on the side that makes moving it around your house or perhaps traveling with it really easy. An absolute must for me when I have a dog bed is to have a waterproof cover to protect the memory foam. And this comes with 2 waterproof covers. Plenty of room on this to spread out, or she curls up into a ball sometimes, or sometimes she just likes to have her head off of the bed. As you can see, she has plenty of space over here to put her head, but I don't know, she likes to lay like this. I guess she thinks it's comfortable. As you can see, Athena absolutely loves her dog bed, and we could not be happier with it, but that is just my point of view.